Hey guys! What the frick?
So in this video, we're gonna do a video on how to act when construction workers in your yard.
And as you can see, they have cut down my trees because they're getting ready to pave my road.
Yeah.
Yay!
So this is what you will do when construction workers come on. So we are gonna be jumping.
Yep.
Please know that.
Sorry for a shaky video.
Oh my god.
Let's just wait for the first victim.
Yes. First victim. Oh yeah.
Until our victim. Victim. He's most likely just being like, oh my god, what the flip is going on?
Zoom out.
I know. We're gonna have to put a video, like,
Who cares?
headphone warning.
No, we're not.
1 sec.
Okay. We got 2 trampolines. One on the ground that we can just step right off of. And we're up there. Which is the one we're using. So, get on here and wait for Senpai. And Justin Bieber. Okay, I think someone's coming. Very slowly. One. We were actually doing this earlier when I got the idea of recording it. Yeah. Hey, ow! I just hit my nose. My nose is probably bleeding right now. No one cares. Oh god. Come on. Come on. Come on, car. Shut up, train! No one cares! Who was to me? Hey, God. Let me get.
KaylaProxy. Hello? Hey! You can come over for dinner.
I think my nose is bleeding.
Can't really, stay the night.
Come on. No! I will kill you!
Right now,
I will kill you!
Right now, me and Fantasy are making, a video.
Oh, God!
What to do when construction workers are by your house.
Freaking get over here. Gore! Who would do that? Look at this. It's coming by. Justin Bieber, come back!
What?
By the way, guys, today is Nooge's birthday. Say happy birthday in the comments.
Kayla, would you like to say anything to the viewers?
Yeah,
Okay, speak away.
I've had a construction worker at my house, and they had to cut part of my telephone pole off because I had a fire because of lightning.
Really? When did you have a fire? Where? Where was it?
That was like when I was at school.
Really, Dad?
Where was the fire? I couldn't hear you.
The telephone pole right next to my big apple tree.
Really? Did it fire up?
Yeah.
Really? Your apple tree's gone?
No, I think, Mom, did my apple tree start burning? Just the top of the telephone pole.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Cool.
Wow. Yeah?
I'm gonna ask my dad again if I can come over.
Something's coming. Again, it's turning around. Why? Justin Bieber room can? No! Justin Bieber's over there on the trees.
How dare you put pies on our lawn?
I will kill you, Senpai! We will only kill you. Don't worry, it won't hurt. My nose is bleeding on the inside. Oh God! Ow! I just got in the concussion. Do you want to hold it now?
Today's my birthday! Perfect demonstration, fancy kitty. 1 second. Can you kind of not jump right now?
Sure.
1 second. Oh God. Hey!
Father, I am Mr. Father.
If you look very closely, you can see construction workers. Yay! Oh, and as you know, yeah.
Don't worry. Oh God! Ow. That hurt. No, it didn't. I'm just really lazy. I don't care about grammar anymore. I'm just too lazy. I said ow when someone poked me.
Yep, true. On the bus today. When she was coming over to my house. Yeah. Okay, so guys,
We're thinking about doing a vlog, like a weekly vlog thing.
yeah.
Yeah.
And after this video is uploaded, we might shortly after that make another video, and it's gonna most likely be a Littlest Pet Shop special. I was aiming it at your. So yeah. Let's just hope that when we make the Littlest Pet Shop video, none of the construction worker noise comes into the video.
Yeah.
Cause that would just suck like crap. If I just much positivity!
Now get up and jump, woman!
I don't have to if I don't run that woman. I can go very high pitched.